Welcome to the Richmond floor plan located at Abberly at Southpoint in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Named for Virginia's capital, this home sits less than an hour from the downtown nightlife of the city of Richmond. At 1,454 square feet, this home aims to please. It not only offers you 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, but also has a built-in desk, perfect for working or learning from home. Separated from one another, both bedrooms offer a lot of closet space, with one bedroom having 2 closets. The massive L-shaped kitchen in the home offers sparkling granite countertops and plenty of dark mocha wood cabinets. Love your morning cup of coffee? Well, this large breakfast bar is perfect for just that. The open concept of the home connects the living space and dining area, and this space opens to your personal outside space. Entertaining opportunities are endless. After a long day, you just deserve to unwind in your owner's suite. This space offers a large garden tub, double sinks, a linen closet, and a large walk-in. And because we understand that life is complicated enough, this home includes a full-size washer and dryer. The Richmond is one of 13 floor plans offered in award-winning Abberly at Southpoint, an amenity-rich luxury apartment community in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Lease today at AbberlySouthpoint.com. Abberly Southpoint is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of our communities, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.